Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer at Wickens Engineering. I'm here today to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today, we're asking, how do I determine the appropriate cantilever rack configuration for my needs? The best cantilever racking will be designed for your bespoke requirements. In order to design the system, we will need to know your product height, depth, length and weight. The environment also matters. If your product is going outside, you'll need to consider a steel corrosion resistant material finish such as galvanizing, and also consider wind loading acting on your racking. I'd recommend consulting with a structural engineer or a racking expert to discuss your exact requirements. If you've got any questions for us, please email us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.